Welcome to our channel, subscribe and hit the like button. The Hyundai Porter H100, also known as the Hyundai Grace or Hyundai Starex in some markets, is a versatile commercial van produced by the South Korean automaker Hyundai Motor Company, renowned for its reliability, spaciousness and efficient performance. The Porter H100 has become a popular choice for various commercial applications around the world. And the Porter H100 features a sturdy and practical design that prioritizes functionality and practicality. Its boxy shape allows for maximum cargo space, making it ideal for transporting goods or serving as a mobile workshop. The van is available in various configurations, including panel van, minibus, and chassis cab, providing flexibility to cater to different business needs. For example, this one is a tourist carrier. The interior of the Hyundai Porter H100 is designed with comfort and convenience in mind. The cabin offers ample headroom and legroom for both the driver and passengers, ensuring a comfortable journey even on long hauls. Depending on the variant and trim level, the H100 can accommodate up to 15 passengers in the minibus configuration, making it suitable for transporting people as well. Powering the Hyundai Porter H100 is a range of efficient and reliable diesel engines. These engines deliver a balance of power and fuel efficiency, making the van suitable for both urban and long-distance driving. The H100 offers smooth acceleration and responsive handling, ensuring a comfortable and confident driving experience for the driver. Safety features are also a priority in the Hyundai Porter H100. Depending on the market and variant, it may come equipped with features such as airbags, ABS, anti-lock braking system, electronic stability control and parking sensors, enhancing the safety of the occupants and improving overall vehicle stability. The Porter H100 is designed to be a workhorse, capable of handling heavy loads and demanding conditions. It boasts a robust chassis, a durable suspension system, and a strong payload capacity, making it suitable for a wide range of commercial activities such as delivery services, logistics, construction, and more. The van's versatility and reliability have made it a trusted choice for businesses worldwide. In addition to its practicality, the Hyundai Porter H100 offers a range of features and options to enhance comfort and convenience. It may include features such as power steering, air conditioning, power windows, remote central locking, and an audio system with USB and Bluetooth connectivity, ensuring comfortable and connected driving experience.